Have you ever crushed a sales target and been rewarded with a fancy new gadget, a luxurious vacation, or maybe even a hefty cash bonus? Those are all fantastic perks, but have you ever wondered why these extra incentives are sometimes called spiffs? It's a curious term, right? Not exactly glamorous, but undeniably exciting when it lands in your lap. Well, the origin of spiff as a sales incentive term is actually a bit of a mystery. There are a few competing theories floating around, each with its own charm. Let's dive into the top contenders. Theory number 1, the acronym theory. Some folks believe spiff is an acronym, though there's no definitive agreement on what the letters stand for. Popular guesses include Sales Promotion Incentive Funding Formula or Salesperson Incentive Fund for Performance. While it sounds official and businesslike, there's no historical evidence to support this theory. Theory number 2, the vaudeville connection. This theory takes us back to the early 1900s and the world of vaudeville. Vaudeville was a popular form of variety entertainment featuring performers like singers, magicians, and comedians. Apparently, some performers used the term spiff to describe something that was particularly flashy or impressive. This theory suggests that the term migrated from the stage to the sales world, implying that a spiff is an incentive that makes your sales performance truly stand out. Theory number 3, the onomatopoeic theory. This one is a bit more lighthearted. Some people believe spiff is simply an onomatopoeic word, like bling or bam. It's a sound associated with something exciting and rewarding, perfectly capturing the feeling of getting a spiff after a successful sales cycle. The truth behind the spiff. So, which theory is the real one? The honest answer is, we don't know for sure. The exact origin of spiff remains a delightful mystery. What we do know is that spiffs have been around for a long time, motivating salespeople to push boundaries and achieve outstanding results. Whether it's a fancy new watch or a trip to the Bahamas, spiffs can be a powerful tool in any sales manager's arsenal. So, the next time you receive a spiff for your hard work, take a moment to appreciate this curious term and the fascinating, possibly vaudevillian, history behind it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.